So here we've got a 2005 GMC Yukon 2500, or sorry, GMC Sierra 2500 HD 6.6 diesel turbo. Gentleman came in and complained about the brake pedal going to the floor during an emergency stop. Drove it, confirmed the condition. The first thing I checked here was your fluid level. You can't really see it, but it is just above the minimum mark line right here, just right there. So the light is not on, but the pedal does go to the floor. So the first thing I checked was that. I also made sure no visual fluid seepage from the seals to the booster. Next thing we did was we came down and we checked the caliper pistons, checked the lines, the rubber lines, made sure none of those were leaking. Grabbed an assistant to assist me with it. When you press on the brake pedal, you can hear air hissing out of this left front side. Upon further inspection, you can just barely see the line back here in the back, right there, that third one down. During the emergency stop with the rust damage that is on the brake lines. During the emergency stop, the pressure cracked the metal hose, and it is now leaking out of that hose. So that was our diagnostic for this. Unfortunately, personally, I would recommend we replace all the lines, given the rust damage is on all the lines. However, that one seems to have the worst of it, or the most frequent pressure when stopping. Another little trick you can do. Is when you go to push on the brake pedal, the pedal sinks to the floor. That's usually that's going to indicate either a leak, system failure, or air in the system. Most common is generally air in the system after being serviced incorrectly. If you go to push on that brake pedal while you're driving, and that brake pedal is hard like a rock, you got to use all of your leg power to push that pedal down and get the vehicle to stop. That's a no assist situation, so your brake booster is not assisting your braking. And then vice versa. Like I said before, if the pedal goes down to the floor, it's generally a leak, air in the system, or a system failure, possibly internal master cylinder leak, something of that sort. This has been our quick little diac for you. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to smash that like button, and if you're new around here and enjoy the content, go ahead and subscribe for me. It really does help me out. Right now, kind of post content as I come along it while working. So that's gonna be it for this one. We'll see you guys next time.